The creator concept is all part of us meeting the customer on their journey to automotive and mobility. This is purely a concept today, but I think it gives you an idea of where we might be going in the future in terms of our styling. What the creator concept shows is what we're capable of. And it's also to gauge consumer interest in the brand, to see what kind of reaction we get from consumers. Because we've never really been known as a off-road capable car company, but the creator concept puts us into that space. And so we're waiting to see how consumers react. And so far, the media has reacted quite well. The Palisade is the halo for the brand. It has performed extremely well over the past several years, and now it's performing even better. So happy that we've got that product in the portfolio. The XRT, which is the off-road ready Palisade, had just landed at dealerships nationwide, and we're off to a terrific start. There's a lot that's going on with our brand. The cool thing about Hyundai is that we're investing in all different types of mobility solutions, whether it's electrification, connectivity, autonomous drive systems. We're also investing in robotic technology. Between 2025 and 2028, we're investing $26 billion in U.S. manufacturing, and that includes expanded capacity at our facilities in Alabama, as well as our facilities in Savannah, Georgia. In addition, we're going to be bringing a steel mill to the great state of Louisiana. Phase 1, we're going to be able to produce 300,000 cars. Phase 2, 200,000 cars. And when you include the battery plants that are on that campus, you're talking 8,700 jobs that we'll be bringing locally once we're at full capacity. Our strategy is all part of what we call a fewer, bigger, better strategy. We want fewer dealers in the network, owning bigger stores. I've got to tip my hat to our dealer partners. They have done a great job over the past several years. They're making significant investments in the brand. Today, we've got roughly 60 to 65% of the network that's invested in new facilities. And by the end of next year, between 70 and 80% will have invested in new facilities. And so they're helping us improve the overall image of the brand in the marketplace, and they've been fantastic. As the dealers continue to invest, they're adding capacity, and that should make it a lot easier for the customers to do business with our dealers. We're going to keep our foot on the accelerator, pun intended. We've got 3 great EVs, Ioniq 5, Ioniq 6, and Ioniq 9, 2 of which we produce right here in the United States. So very important vehicles to our portfolio. The cars have resonated extremely well in the marketplace. They're performing very, very well. We're going to continue to invest in our brands and get people to know our products. And we want to meet the customer on their journey to electrification. We've had record sales over the past 5 years. This year is going to be no different. Very, very proud of the work that our team, our dealers have made over the past several years. We've come a long ways, there's no question about it, but we still have a long, long ways to go. Our work isn't done.